welcome to another home tour. Today I'm showcasing a beautiful modern coastal home that has been completely renovated. Now this home is a single story home. It has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So let's step inside and take a wander around. Now the first thing I noticed are all the timber elements. So from the oak timber floor to this timber cabinetry right here. Now look at this hidden storage space, which is fantastic. Across we have a bar area. Now here you can find a wine fridge. You've got this gorgeous marble top here. And then across from the bar, we walk into our dining area. Now this could be your breakfast area as well. You've got a very generous size window that's actually looking over the pool area. Now let's make our way into the heart of the home, where the kitchen is. Now the great thing about this home is you've got open plan living, so it feels very, very spacious. And then look at this, huge windows through here as well. So as you can see, you've got lots of natural light coming in. And what I love about the renovation that they've done is they've put skylights. So above the kitchen, you've got 2 skylights on either side of the kitchen island. And then look at this, you actually have a pop-up GPO for your electrical devices. I love this because it gives that slim design where you can just pop it back down. You've also got the natural timber elements in the kitchen as well, which is beautiful, and you have an integrated fridge. Now straight across from your kitchen, you've got a beautiful alfresco area. Now what I love about this is you've got this bifold doors that completely open up, so you really get that indoor-outdoor feel. And your alfresco area is completely covered, so you can use it any time of the year. On our right-hand side, we've also got a little fire pit, so you can put chairs around there and just hang around with family and friends. Now let's take a closer look at the pool. I was chatting to the homeowners and they told me the reason they fell in love with this home was because of this pool, the shape of it. How cool is it? It's actually quite a decent sized pool, so it's 16 meters long. And when they saw the pool, they basically said, this is the house that we're going to renovate. So, and I think they've done such a fantastic job. I love how it also has a spa bath at the end, and what they've done is have another little entertaining area. So I can definitely see a lot of pool parties happening here, especially during summer. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's head back inside. And this time we're going to go and check out the master bedroom. All right, so as soon as you walk in, you've got your walk-in robe on your left-hand side. Very generous in size. Then straight across, you've got your bed. Now check out how cool this bed head is. I love it. Oversized bed head. Behind me, you've got a sliding door that actually leads out into your garden. So again, lots of windows, so lots of natural light coming in. And then straight across, you've got your beautiful ensuite. Great shower. You've got a separate toilet, which of course you can close off. You've got a freestanding bath. Another window, as you can see. So very bright in here. You've got the timber elements in the cabinetry, so that's carried throughout the whole house. And a his and her sink. Okay, so let's keep going. We are going to make our way towards the guest bedrooms. Now, if you've got any questions at all on this house, leave them in the comments. I will try my best to answer them for you. So let's step into our first guest bedroom. Very cute. I love the way they've decorated it. You actually have a huge sliding door which leads outside into the garden, so that window brings lots of natural light in here. On my left hand side, you do have a linen cupboard, so extra storage space. And now I'm walking into our third bedroom. Now this one here I love because you've got a view of the pool. Again, lots of natural light coming in. You do have a built-in cupboard. So across here you've got your laundry area, great size. I love the timber elements in the cabinetry as well. You've got a separate toilet, and then you've got your guest bathroom. Now this bathroom has a skylight as well. You've got a his and her sink, and you've got a great size shower just around the corner. So now let's make our way to the last bedroom, bedroom number 4. Now this bedroom here also has a view of the sparkling pool, and it also has a built-in cupboard. So guys, that's it. Our tour has come to an end. I truly hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. If you've got any questions, again, I will try my best to answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching.